Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with a special surprise. Ooh, so I have this ball flying thing, so I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Okay, so we have unboxed it and it looks like this. So it's like a football and it has USB charging. So I'll show you how to charge now. For this you need an adapter. This won't come with the package, but you can find it in your home. So we have to do that, and we can put this inside here. Boom! So this is how you charge it. So to charge it, you have to plug the plug in and then switch on. And then there'll be a red light on the ball flying thing. And if you see the red light, then it is obviously charging.
Tell me like a Hellcat.